at Kaspa today, and it has absolutely tanked from its local and all-time high, which is about a 46% correction, which isn't the craziest thing in the world. However, for the run Kaspa was actually on, it's very surprising to actually see it correct this hard. However, the KRC20 tokens, the meme coins on the Kaspa chain, did drop. So I think there was a lot of sell the news going into that, and it did hold up very well. Even when Bitcoin hit 49k, it did go down to 12.4 cents. So you're actually getting a better deal now. So it has corrected quite a little bit, and what I expect from Kaspa, uh, obviously don't just trust my squiggly lines, is something a bit like this. So it'll go up a little bit more, it'll consolidate, it'll go down, it'll double bottom, sort of like it did around this area here. And once that does occur, I think we will go flying again. It just depends on how long it will take. And also the correction can go further down because there is also support at this region here, around the 9 cents region, also around the 8 cents region. Could potentially, if Bitcoin wants to go move really crazy, move all the way down to the 5 or 6 cent region as well. So I have been accumulating a little bit. I think I probably have bought a little bit too much at the same time. I have bought a little bit over the last few days because I've seen it correcting quite a little bit, and I do believe this is actual money, and I've researched the project, but I am dollar cost averaging, so I'm getting into positions slowly, and I'd rather be slower rather than faster, because if you invest too quick and you see a better price, well, you're not going to feel too good about that. So if we have a little look at all the KRC20 tokens, I have invested into one. Low key, when I look at that token now, it does look a little bit racist. However, that has tanked. So I bought that at 1.8 million market cap. That's why I only put $100 in, and I've probably lost the majority of that. So I'm going to leave that in there. If that's lost money, that's lost money. But I think better options would be probably Nacho, because that's held up very strong at 63 million market cap. Kaspa did get the exchange listing as well, Kaspa the Ghost, and it's correcting actually very nicely. And I think Gold is getting a MEXC listing as well. So these are the potential two to be looking at. Yeah, that's actually corrected very, very nicely, you know. It's correcting very nicely, so we expect a 70% pullback on the meme coin minimum. And also gold is looking alright as well. I think if that gets the exchange listing, that's low-key gonna fly. It already is flying, to be honest. So, do with that as you please, but they are hella degenerate. So watch out, because you are risking all your money. We did have the tether FUD yesterday, which I did upload a video on, but that's often followed by a parabolic bull run. So whenever that happens, usually we do get a major correction, and after that we do fly. Some people are thinking we could still go down, and I'm probably in that camp as well. Prayed for a 10x and got a minus 90%. That's why you don't want to risk all your money in meme coins for sure. Kaspa, guess it can only get better. Yeah, it's correcting like crazy, man. It's mental. It is mental. And this guy's actually saying as well, if we open this up right here, let's talk UK and tax. National insurance going up, has a low percentage of investors compared to the rest of Europe. ISAs are hardly ever utilised to their full potential. 6% of UK adults have a stock and shares ISA. According to a 2024 survey, nearly 750 billion is held in ISAs, 450 billion in stocks and shares, and 285 billion in cash. More percentage of people use cash than stocks and shares in the UK doesn't have a huge appetite for investing. The figures highlight that 60% of the population isn't currently using an ISA. I'm not sure how much money is sitting, earning nothing. I wonder if capital gains tax does go up if we get any sort of change with ISAs. True. He's right. I don't like the UK and tax right now, you know. They will tell you 48 hours how we endured Ted the Fud and Warford and how we are strong, nothing can break us, and Monday will come and they will take everything from you. I was warning you that they are sacrificing your alts in front of your eyes, but you would rather not listen to people who are 8 years here and have been through all this before, and you would rather listen to fake influencers who are demolishing you since March. Enjoy the show when it fully starts. I believe, and you have convinced me, to head your warnings. Should I pull out everything right now, or do you think we will see a small bounce over the weekend? If stocks start drop on Monday, then get out. Wow. Wow. Nice try, taxman. How much cash have you accumulated? Reminder that you live in an echo chamber of crypto. 99% of real world doesn't care about it. Wait until Bitcoin hits 100k. Look at how low that is, the interest. It might even go lower if we crash lower. This is why nearly every economic sentiment survey has been largely noise for the past 12 months. 1 year inflation expectations. Republican, Independent, Democrat. That means nothing to me. Ethereum holders in a bear market are still in a bear market. Meme coin holders, facts. Kaspa still tanking. Warned you. Dominance. They rise in dominance just to make it crash. Let's actually have a little look at dominance, because that's kind of crazy what they're trying to do here. If they're literally trying to do is this dirty, bro, look at that. Look how high dominance is. And if they tank the whole market, everything's coming down. Altcoins don't stand a chance. If you think altcoins stand a chance in that, you are mental. War news as well. Israel launches an attack on Iran. Holy. And also the food is all rigged as well. Kasp is the only coin I feel truly confident holding over the next years. Yeah, I do too. I'm not going to lie. If there's a last BTC shakeout dip in early November, be sure to take that opportunity. I think it will be, early November. That's when we'll tank the hardest. Damn, Tetherfoot is a bottom signal. But it doesn't mean the bottom will be on that day. BTC cycle low due approximately 5th of November. People will get super bearish in that time frame and start calling for much lower numbers, even new lows. Then they will use the election as a narrative to explain away the bullish price action out of that 5th of November cycle low. All makes sense. It all does make sense. My guess, BTC dominance will rally into the next rate cut before a pullback. 60% dominance is likely. Bro, that makes you feel what's going to go on in the next few weeks, especially if you're in the markets. I'm a little bit in, but that's crazy. You might see corrections that you've never seen before. 59 greed, yesterday 63, last week 74, but now we're 59, so it is dropping a little bit, which was bound to happen because the market was overcooked. Altcoins is coming back down again here. If it does have one more little upside before the complete demolition of them, we shall see. But apart from that, be careful in these markets, because even Casper, after reading the tweets today and the information, might be risky, even at these levels. It's weird. I might get a stop loss on mine. Might have to put a stop loss on. Let's get that done. Catch you guys in a bit. Peace.